Now, if you're planning any form of spray painting indoors, preparation is very important. Once you've sanded down the walls and all the areas you're about to paint, you're going to have to mask up. Now, don't be put off by the masking. It can be done really quick and easy by using Wagner's masking kit. First of all, remove all the furniture out the room if possible. If not, simply move it to the centre and cover it with your dust sheets. I'm going to start off by covering up the carpet area with the dust sheet. Then I'm going to use my masking kit to mask up the skirting boards, the radiators, the windows, the lights, the switches and sockets. Next, I'm about to mask up the skirting board, and what makes it quick and simple to do, the masking tape itself is already connected to the polythene. So what we do, we place the top of the masking tape right on the top of the skirting board, we drag that along and start to stick it down as we go. The key is to line the masking tape up exactly on the top of the skirting board where it meets the plasterwork. Now I'm in the corner area. I'm just going to trim that off using my trimming knife, and then I'm going to start to unfold the polythene, and straight away you'll see the polythene's got a static effect. It starts to cling to the surface of the skirting board. Once I'm happy that I've covered all of that area, I'm going to get the standard roll of masking tape and simply just fix that down to my dust sheet. Now next up, I want to mask the windows. Now you can get different size rolls depending on how big your window is. I'm going to use the larger one because I not only want to cover the window, but I'm going to cover the sill as well. Once you're into the corner, again using your trimming knife, trim that off. You can start to peel the plastic out, and again you'll see it's got the static effect, so it'll grab to the surface below. Once you're happy with that length, you can trim it off along the bottom of the sill and then of course mask it to hold it into position. Then using your masking tape, mask up the edges where it meets the plasterboard. And you do the same on the opposite side. That way you know all the window and the frame is covered for when you're about to spray the reveals of the window. Now the radiators are a little bit different. They're standing proud off the wall on brackets. So what we need to do is get the masking tape and tape up along the back edge of the radiator, drape it down, cut off the sides and on the underside, and then tape it up. That way when we spray the wall, we can spray the areas behind the radiator where it's seen. Pipes or thermostats that are visible, they're also going to need covering up using your masking tape. Light switches, sockets and lights are also going to need masking up. Real simple to do. Pull your tape out, run it along the top edge and then down the sides just where it meets the plasterwork. Once you've gone all the way around, cut it off, simply fold it in, and if you've got a small gap in the middle, just cover that up as well. Masking the door up, it's always wise to mask the frame at the same time, especially if you're painting the walls and ceilings above it. I'm going to start off using the large mask and roll from the top of the frame, drapes it down, cut it into the corner, drape it all the way down to the floor, then get the standard masking tape and cut in the corners of the frame where it meets the plasterwork. That's the masking preparation all complete, and it's only took me about 45 minutes to do this room. I covered the floor, masked the skirting boards, the radiators, the windows, the doors, the lights, the sockets and even the switch. Now I'm ready to start doing my spray painting.